Hello, Chef here. Another video for you. What do I got here? Oh yeah, avocado. Right here I've got a cheese knife. This is good for soft cheese or hard cheese. Right here I got some hard cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano. I always wash my avocados. You never know how many people touch this along the way. You got the farmers, you got the pickers, you got the people working in the grocery store, and you got customers touching them. Even if you buy them wholesale, is everybody washing their hands like me? I don't know. I probably wash my hands 50 times a day. You should too. That's your tip right there. All right, avocado. I'm gonna cut it perfectly in half with this knife. Usually I remove the little pit if it's there. Doesn't taste so good. Don't want that in your food. Okay, I'm gonna cut this avocado perfectly in half. Fruit stickers. Not a big fan of these things. All right, here we go. So, following the pattern right there, round and around. Wow, knife is so sharp. Perfect avocado. Perfectly right. Really, really nice. I like it. Now, what I'm going to do next might be a little unusual. You might have never seen this before, but here we go. We're going to break this avocado down into quarters. All right. I got 4 beautiful pieces here. They're nice and even. I'm going to remove the skin very, very carefully. Okay. You can't do this if your avocado is underripe or overripe. Okay, I got my 4 portions of avocado. It's very, very ripe. I'm going to start with 2 of them. Move these other ones using my bench scraper. All right, and I'm going to do a really nice thin cut like this. Okay, beautiful. Knife cuts very, very easily. Got really nice consistent cuts. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay. I'm going to remove this with my bench scraper here. I'm going to put this in a mixing bowl. Okay, there we go. And now I'm adding a few ingredients. Follow along here. Smoked New Mexico chili powder. Sea salt. Truffle oil. There's a whole truffle in there. This is from a previous video where I diced a tomato. Okay, looking good. And now I'm going to just give this a little mix, a little blend together here. All right, so first thing we need is a base. And for a base today, I've chosen a cracker. All right, any cracker will do, your choice. And I'm going to make this fit a little bit better on the cracker by using my stainless steel cutter. So I want to just cut this avocado and get just the right piece, just the right look. The rest of this, of course, goes right into the mix. Cool. All right, so to construct this appetizer here, first thing I'm going to do is take a piece of my cheese, cut it to fit. Fits pretty good. And now I'm going to use my baby torch. Melt that cheese just a little bit. Just looking for the the effect. Little brownness is okay. I just want it to be soft. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. So to finish this up here, I'm going to put a little bit of this tomato and avocado mixture right on top of this here. Okay. It's got all the seasoning and the flavor in there. I'm going to put a little bit of this Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Like this. I'm going to check it with the torch one more time. Kind of seal it together in a nice little package there. Toasting it at the same time. Yeah. And then I'm just going to garnish the plate a little bit with the rest of this avocado. 2 more ingredients going on my plate. White balsamic vinegar reduction, as well as dark balsamic vinegar reduction. Gives you some ideas. Thanks for watching. If you want a little greens on the plate, you know, something like that, wouldn't be bad too. You can toss a little green stuff on there. Kind of looks nice now. Yeah. Please support your sponsor. Click that little like button. Helps the channel. And of course, if you need the really cool rocker knife that I was using in the video, you know where to get it. Yeah. It's sweet. I like it. I didn't mention, by the way, it's balanced really nice. Doesn't weigh a lot. It's very ergonomic. Handle works lefty or righty. And that's the video. Tune in for more real soon. And once again, we do appreciate your comments. You will see this knife in a couple of the videos. It's got some unique features. First one is the Pack-A-Wood octagon shaped handle. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's a layered Pack-A-Wood that's super strong, and the knife, of course, is super sharp. The knife is made in Japan. The blade is very special material, and it doesn't need sharpening. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Boost blocks. Don't forget to click that little like and subscribe button so we know you're into the video. Share it with your friends. Get cooking and have a beautiful day.